Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You join us tonight at Pattaya at the Runway market. Why is it called Runway market? Because it's got a ruddy big 747 in the middle of it. So as with all the markets, you can get yourself clothes, you can get yourself some knockoff gear, you can basically get everything. But we're going for food. How cool is that? A VW bus converted into a bar. You see loads of these around Pattaya. I love them. I wish I had just a standard VW, to be fair though. Good camper vans. After hearing Liam Gallagher the other week, this guy sounds better. Some genuine Ray-Bans, genuine gold, all the good stuff, you know, just sitting in the market. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And now we've come up to the food market. Look at all this fresh seafood, lobsters, everything, look at that. Wow. Got your fruit smoothies, coconuts, and over that side all your barbecue stuff on sticks. Pick what you want and they'll grill it for you there. Oh. Japanese food, sushis. Crocodile. You want crocodile, you can get crocodile. So you've got all your barbecue sticks again, grilled pork, grilled liver, chicken meat and chicken butt. Yes, I've ate chicken butt. Grilled intestines, all the good stuff. Look at all that. And then this side of the market's all your fresh produce to take home with you. Fresh fruit, mangoes, durian, pineapples. Look at the size of them pineapples, they're teeny. Look at that. These pre-packed fruits, some of which I don't know what they are. Don't know what they are, don't know what they are. But we're going to get some pineapple. Roast chicken, now wait till you get a look at this contraption. Look at this. Charcoal grill. Wow. Oh my. Too much to choose from. You can even get photographs taken holding owls and snakes. This is durian. I've tried it once, liked it, tried it twice, didn't like it. So, yeah. Oh, fresh corn. Look at that, fresh grilled corn. Beautiful. This market is huge. It's like, how do you choose what to have to eat? There's so much I'm wanting. One thing's for certain though, I'm not eating from that one. The fried insects. No, 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 no. Grilled fish. So we're actually going underneath the wing of a 747. Unbelievable. And yes, it is actually a real 747 that they took apart and rebuilt here. Just casually walk under the 747 to get to the other side of the market. Do you want some centipede or scorpion or mealworms or spiders? Blech. Live sea urchin. So we've got more crocodile over here, but this time there's the full crocodile, or what's left of it. We've got fruit juices, coconut ice creams, more kebabs. How tasty do they look? Wow. Fried fish, fried chicken, fried shrimp, potatoes. We've got noodles, pad thai, some more barbecue, ribs, drinks. I thought it was Ed Sheeran for a second. Trying to swim, stay float, drive hat when closed. They love the crocodile here. Have to watch my head here because I'm ducking underneath the 747. We are literally sitting underneath the 747. Who's got a warm? So there you go, that was the Runway market here in Pattaya. There's something for everyone. So anywho, I'll see you all the next one, because now I'm full and I'm sweating and I'm tired. Now it's time to do your job.